Is your Windows PC running slow? In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful CMD commands that can help fix and speed up Windows 10 and Windows 11 in minutes. These commands are built directly into Windows and can repair corrupted files, improve performance, and fix common system issues. Command 1, System File Checker. First, click on Start. Search for CMD. Click Run as Administrator. Here, type this command and then hit Enter. This command scans and repairs corrupted Windows system files automatically. Wait until it reaches 100%. Command 2, DISM Repair. Type this command and hit Enter. This command repairs the Windows image and fixes deeper system problems. Command 3, check disk. Finally, type this command. This checks your hard drive for errors and repairs bad sectors. If asked, press Y and restart your PC, but since I am recording my screen, I won't restart it, but you perform it on your side. After running all 3 commands, restart your PC for best performance results. If this helps speed up your PC, don't forget to like. And subscribe to IT Next for more powerful Windows fixes. See you in the next video.